Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic Scanner analysis about the bat pattern and also the pattern format on the scanner detected by the Harmonic app. So for now, let's go back to the previous week analysis where I have analyzed the bat pattern on this symbol, which is against the Japanese yen, and where the bullish bat pattern has been formed with this potential reversal zone here and also with the stop loss below that, and also the first take profit and the second take profit. Inside the YouTube channel you can also see what was expected in the previous week analysis, but for now I can tell you that it was expected that the first profit target would be reached, and that is 18.63, and then it was expected to see how the price will behave. But if the price reaches the first take profit target, it would be the best to move the stop loss above the potential reversal zone, just in case if the price goes against this trade and closes below, to close the trade with a small profit. So what we can see, the price has been at 18.56 price level in the previous week, and then the price has gone up. We can see it, the price was here and it has reached the first take profit, gone above this first resistance level and reached 18.77. In the previous week analysis, I have expected the price will try to reach this 18.88 resistance level, but the price could not reach that, but it has stopped just here at this trend line resistance level at 18.78. After that, the price has formed this bearish candle and then dropped it even more down with this candle on we can see it on a Wednesday. So what we can see it here is that the price has gone down and reached this stop loss level. But if you have moved your stop loss above the entry level, which is above the potential reversal zone, this would be also a profitable trade, but it's with a small profit, which is also better than having the losing trade activated. So for now, this one, the previous week analysis, this bullish bat pattern has been a false one, failed one, but if you have traded with a stop loss moving above this potential reversal zone and also above this first support level, this would be a valid trade with a small profit. Even though it is a small, it is a profit. So for now, as it looks, this bullish bat pattern has not been completed, validated as a 100%, but it has been successful one with at least reaching the first take profit. So for the next one, for the next week, I have found that this one, EUR/SEK, which has been also detected by the scanner, you can also check it inside the notification where it is. This is the one, the bullish bat pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame with the entry level, with the target and the stop loss, with the risk to reward ratio at 3.51, which is a great. So what we can see on the chart is this one. As a first rule, the bat pattern should be formed in the trend. So clearly we can see this is the uptrend formed on the chart. Then we need to see the price forming, going outside of this trend and forming a deep point, also potential reversal zone, which is suggesting that the price will continue to rise in value with the first profit and also the second profit target. So for now everything looks okay, and the next step is to form a technical analysis with the horizontal support and resistance level, with the trend lines, and also a supply and demand zone around this support and resistance levels, and then making the technical analysis just to verify is the potential reversal zone as entry level okay, with the stop loss okay, and also the first and second take profit. So I will go and make this technical analysis, prepare all the technical levels on the chart, and then I will continue with this analysis just to verify is this bullish bat pattern as valid, and also is it has a potential to be profitable. Let's go. First go to the monthly time frame, and if you would like to see all the details about the technical analysis, how I am making this one, and also the supply demand zone, you can check also the gold membership, where you have also a step-by-step guide how to make the analysis, and you will also see the previous video and also analysis how do I made this technical analysis and also prepare the chart with technical levels. Okay, now the technical levels are located on the chart. Now we can continue with making the analysis. So what we can see here? What we see here is this weekly support level at 11.1, where the potential reversal zone is also with the entry 11.1. So what we can see it is this currently downtrend small channel, where the price is almost at the end of this downtrend channel trend line, and is trying to make breakout to the downside. We can see that this daily support is still holding. The price is not moving down. Just a minute, I will remove this one here so it doesn't bother us. And also we have a stop loss just below this weekly support level. It is currently on the monthly support level, which is also great. If we take a look a little bit closer about these candles, how they are formed and also how this looks, we can see that the price has dropped down from this level below this one, which is a monthly support level. Now it is acting as a resistance, and the price is dropping even more down and reached this lower side, which is currently a confluence of support for the price. The price has reached this start of this potential reversal zone, where we have a bad pattern suggesting that the price could make a retrace and also reverse between these two price levels. The first one is 11.17 and below that is 11.1. So the entry would be around 11.1. So for now, as it looks, what I can see, if the price drops down even more and reaches this price level here, which is 11.13, this would be also a great entry level for the price. And also the price, if the price drops even more down, which will be this area, which is a demand zone with the lower side at 11.07. So we can see in the past the price has reached this price level several times when the price was dropping down. So in order for the price to be a valid one, what we can see, the price should not close below this one, below 11.07, which is a lower side of the demand zone. If the price goes down below this one, it will be some kind of a trigger of a false bad pattern, where the stop loss could be reached in several days. For now, as it looks, if we go to the weekly, just a minute, to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is in the bearish mode. So each week has dropping even more down, where we can see the lower side of this reach is 11.16. So if the price goes down on the weekly time frame for the next week, we will see the price reaching this one 11.1. So if the price reaches this area, the retrace could happen and reach this price level, which is around this one, very close to 11.42. So if we go to the monthly to see how this looks, it is also a bearish one. We can see it here just with this bearish candle, and so very critical level is this one. So for the price, when it reaches 11.14, the price could also make a retrace back up, but the low side it is around 11.05 and also 10.98. Very important is 10.93. So with these levels, which are very important, we can see that 10.9 is very important on the monthly time frame, and it is possible that the price reaches this area. Very important level for the price, we can see it is 11.0908 and also around 0.80, around 11.07, which is also, just a minute, so we have also this one visible, a bad pattern with potential reversal zone at 11.1. So I would also wait until the price reaches this area 11.1, which is the entry, and from there I would wait to see what happens. The stop loss I would leave as it is, where it currently is, and for the take profit is 11.48, 11.68. So the first take profit is also a very hard to reach, and I would also move it a little bit here just in case, because this is a strong monthly resistance level. So if we go on the monthly time frame, we can see that 11.42 is very important level, and also in the weekly time frame is also a very important level. So 11.42 is also possible to reach, and also when the price reaches 11.09, I would also look to exit here at 11.4, because you can see in the past the price have had problems reaching higher price levels when the price reaches this area from this one here. So if the price returns back up, this would be the first level, but if the price makes a breakout to the upside above this one, the next target would be around 11.6. So if we go to the daily time frame and also check this bat pattern, we can see that the first take profit is 11.4, which is possible to reach it, but 11.6 would be on the next breakout on the monthly time frame. So this is a very long-term target, and for me it is less likely to see it until I see the price makes a breakout to the upside at 11.42. So the first profit target would be here, reaching from this area to this one. And after that, what happens, I will look further on. But also, if the price makes a bounce from this one and reaches this first take profit, I would also move my stop loss here, just in case the price returns back down and goes against me, but I will get outside of this trade with a small profit. So if you are into it and you also have time or to wait, because this will be a long-term target trading, you can also check this analysis and also make the decision based on these trading signals, what I have seen here. So for now, this looks as a potential successful with reaching 11.4 price level, and after that we will see what happens. I will also follow this bat pattern in the next week to see just how it looks and also how it plays out. For now, each bat pattern that we have checked was successful, at least reaching take profit target 1. And with this one in mind, totally we would be in profit with all bat patterns traded. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you would like to see a technical analysis with more details how to put these technical levels on the chart with supply demand zones, you can check also Gold membership to see more details. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me, and also inside the Facebook you have also a possible way to share your analysis, so we can also discuss all together. See you next time, and happy trading!